My name is Mary Ruffin Williams, and for my psychology research poster, I will be investigating prisoner mental health treatment. In the United States, if you're not aware, in the introduction, in the United States, almost half the inmates who are in prison have been diagnosed with a mental health illness. 29% of them have extreme mental health illnesses. Um, and almost 99% are not diagnosed until they go into mental health treatment. The objective of my research is to explore the evidence that states if a prisoner gets mental health treatment before they are released from prison, um, are the outcomes better for them, and does it lower recidivism rates, and keep them out of trouble if they're in treatment. Um, the method that I use to do the research is I collected research articles focused on prisoner mental health treatment and also ex-cons. And I looked at the statistics and compared articles and things like that to come up with a collection of information about prisoner mental health treatment. My analysis is that of information that is created from a group of studies, the collected information um, kind of supported my perception that if we can get prisoners into mental health treatment and keep them engaged in treatment, that it will create better outcomes for their quality of living and society as a whole, but it will also lower the rate of people that we have returning to prison. Oh no. Excuse me, technical difficulties. The results are that if we understand that our country's mental health problems, um, they don't start in prison, but are often diagnosed in prison, that it would make a big difference to uh, what is going on right now. Research shows that nearly half, 48% or 49% of the inmates in prison are diagnosed. And like I said, 99% don't find out until they are in prison, but race, age, and gender really affects their diagnosis and how long it takes for them to be diagnosed. The conclusion is that mental health as a whole, starting in prison, being treated consistently would probably lower the amount of mental health problems that we see in our communities. And it would give the entire community a better quality of living, because the crime rate would be lower, as those who are being treated for mental health will become productive members of society. Thank you.